Hey everyone, Namaste. My name is Avinash Anand Singh. So today we have a very amazing and inspirational personality, Ms. Rachna Kakkar. She's from Mumbai. She's a millennial career coach and a newly become author. An amazing book she has wrote, and I'll let her also introduce that book to all of you. So she has been into our workshop. I think in a classroom workshop, in an online session we carried on abundance healing, and she has been very regular with her practices and have been seeing a lot of results for her. So I thought quickly to record a video to just get her share her experiences and what she has done, how it all brought a result for her, how the things helped her. And also you'll come across somebody very good, which you can also follow tomorrow and get a lot of inspiration. So Rachna, thank you for coming into this interview with us. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. So it's a great day for me, when your mentor invites you to come over and have an interview. It's a beautiful day and best moment in itself.
Perfect. Rachna, give me a brief about you. Like for the people who are watching right now, just give a small brief about you, your background, where you come from, and what is exactly the work you carry out right now.
So I have been a part of the education industry for almost 15 years now. And I wanted to develop myself as a career coach where was doing a regular work. I was in a job, but somehow I wasn't getting a direction how I can develop myself as a career coach. And ever since I met you and started everything, I got a very clear direction. So now I'm a millennial career specialist, and I'm guiding people to get their dream jobs, and also help them in the careers to reach the best what they deserve.
Beautiful, beautiful. And give me a background about you, Rachna. Like even before you joined as an education industry, how did your childhood was like? Where you came from, which
So
place you were born?
I come from a very humble family background. So my father was a clerk in a public sector bank, and I wasn't a very bright student. Frankly, I always I had that carefree attitude, but I was very average student in my studies. Then I did my masters in HR, labor laws, and I also did a masters in commerce. The unfortunate part was that I was a gold medalist in my MBA, but somehow, after I got into the class 12, did my commerce, I started developing that interest on what I wanted to do. But in spite of being a gold medalist, I was without a job for almost 6 7 months, and that was one period of my life which was I would say very depressing period of the life. And after that, I got a offer from corporate, but somehow I thought that no, I want to do something in the education industry only, because what has happened to me shouldn't happen to the other people, because I wanted to understand, research, and find out that where is that gap, what is that gap in the knowledge that is being delivered, where people who are university gold medalists also are not getting jobs. So that's how I entered into the education industry, worked with the top B schools of the country, also worked with the in the corporate relation teams, helped many students to get the jobs. But then I made it a mission of mine, and now I am on a mission to help 10,000 millennials to get their dream jobs.
Beautiful. That's amazing. That's amazing. So, Rachna, now, so you joined a lot of our sessions we carried out, the classroom workshops and the online sessions. So, what has been your experience of going through these sessions? Did you find some value in this, and how it helped you in life?
So yeah, somehow I remember about 1.5 year back, or 2 years maximum, I attended your first physical session workshop, and I was completely blown off with all the concepts, everything that you shared, and found them really interesting. And then I kept on attending your sessions, found interesting, got some new learnings. But yes, one thing I felt was somewhere every time I used to, it was like that motivational bubble. I attended the workshop, got some insights, got some learning, did it did the practices stuff for 10 days, 12 days, 15 days, and then I was back to where I was. So I was not able to keep that momentum build up. I was very much convinced with your teachings, the concept, but somehow, you know, I was not able to get into that consistent mode of doing things. So uh, after I joined your financial healing session, it was a complete game changer. I would say that around 6 7 months back I joined that session, and from there it's been like a journey of being a procrastinator to being an action taker, and that has completely changed my life. A complete shift in my mindset, and overall as a person also.
Right, beautiful. For me, obviously, when people ask that, obviously we get to hear stories, and for me, always what is more important is that what kind of inner shift you go through, right? Change in your attitude, your behavior, your mindset. For me, that is more important. But still, the world generally looks for the quantifiable things outside. But I believe, like, once you have the inner change, the outside is soon follows it, right? So talking about that, so what are some of the major things you have seen as a change for you, like in terms of work, in terms of say finances, in terms of achievements, in terms of inner changes within you? What are some of the major changes you have seen?
So, one, if you ask me one or two, it's difficult. In fact, if you ask this question to my husband, he will give you the best answer,
Yes.
because he is someone who is a big fan of yours. Why? Because you are the one who's changed me for a better one.
Right.
So yeah, definitely, my complete personality as a person has changed. Is a very small word. I would say it's transformed ever since I have met you, started implementing your learnings that I got from you. My life has completely transformed. Uh, in terms of my personality, I used to be a very very short tempered person. That's one changed. One change I clearly saw, and people, you seeing a change and somebody else coming and sharing that with you makes a lot of difference. So now people tell me that you look quite a transformed person. Then, of course, uh, financially also I have seen a lot of improvement. uh, but somehow, earlier when I initially joined a couple of workshops of your, I was not very clear on what I really wanted to do.
Mm.
I just, for the heck of writing the goals, I used to write things, write them for few days, and then you know shift to another goal. So that clarity, that what you say is a real vision of life, what is your purpose of life, that is something what I was looking for. And the financial healing session, apart from, because I always believe, and this is what I've got the teaching from you, that money is a byproduct. So that gave me so much of clarity in terms of what my real vision for life should be. And the moment I got this that I need to give value to people, contribute some way to transform their life, and that's where I got so much clarity in my own goals. And now I have my 6 7 years goal all in place. So
Beautiful.
that's the kind of clarity I got. And meditation played a very very strong role in giving me that clarity.
Right. Yeah. So you started with now I think your own coaching, millennial coaching as well, right? So have you launched some kind of batches for it now? How's it going on? Like, what is the?
Yes, I have launched batches. In fact, I have got two this thing. So one is, of course, my millennial career program,
Right.
where I have around 21 students who are already a part of my community.
Amazing.
And another thing which I started on public demand was that when my friends met me, friends and relatives, they met me and they saw this transformation in me as a person. They were really keen to know that what is that I'm doing, that I have completely changed as a person. So that's where I told them that this is what I'm doing. I'm doing meditation, I'm following Avinash Anand Singh, and all these things I'm doing so they all said that why can't you we all start doing this, because everybody knows it. Everybody knows that you should do some set of rituals every day, you should do the meditation, you should do your affirmations, but people are not able to do. So we all together, only women. So I somehow had this in mind, that if this change I have brought in my own self, why not I help people who are like me.
Hmm.
So we all, as a women community, I started with 4 or 5 people, and these were all friends. We
Right.
started free of cost, where as a community we came together. We used to do this practice, so
Hmm.
that each of us were pushing each other to complete their set of daily activities every day. And then of course this idea came in, then why don't you start charging them,
Yes.
and invite other people also into this community. So I have a small community, about 25 women now,
Hmm.
which is the 5 a.m. Women Victory Club we
Wow.
have created.
Beautiful.
And we all together do these set of meditations and the morning ritual together.
Beautiful.
So it's just that we keep inspiring each other to
Hmm.
do these activities. So
Beautiful.
this is one. And then of course the millennial career forum that we have. So
Hmm.
where I have started my own programs, and I'm guiding these millennials to get their dream job in the pandemic situation. Also, I have 1 or 2 people who've got their goals manifested, who've got their jobs
Beautiful.
even in such difficult situations. It's
Amazing.
all grace of God and your guidance.
Beautiful. I think that's very important because now I can see you are, I think you are opening multiple channels of revenue to flow in, right? And that's so important because so many of us get stuck to one source. But I think moment you understand your abilities and talent and start and remove the blockages, that's the key area. So I'll come to it right now in a minute also. But I think now what I've seen is that women is such a big area of work. Like so many women needs help, and when somebody has done it like you, they can relate it to faster. And I think when you are being there for them morning together, I think that's a great thing to happen. So I think even now you have put it as chart, like there's a investment also involved. But that makes sure you attract good people, sincere people, and the people who are serious about change, right? So I think that's
Absolutely.
very good because this can go up to huge numbers, right? And now I think book is also coming, so book becomes another beautiful source of revenue as well. So I think you see when we say the affirmation, money is flowing to us to multiple sources. That's the thing, in fact, right? Great. So quickly, last couple of questions, Rashna. All the practices we did in the session, what is your favorite practice? What is the one thing you carry every day?
So meditation, of course, I do every day. Uh, if by chance I am not able to start my day with the meditation, I make sure before going to sleep I do it. So meditation and goal writing are 2 things that whatever happens, wherever I am,
Yes.
I make sure that I do these 2 things every day.
Right. Beautiful, beautiful. And also now, when you are thinking about next 5 years, 7 years, 10 years, what kind of goals you have in mind? Like not give me the exact goals, but what kind of broader vision you have formed for yourself?
So like I said, I have kept this as my goal, that I want to touch lives of 10,000 people by 2025. That's one of the goals. Then another goal of mine is again related to something which was an incident that I happened in my life, and where I want to open a super specialty kidney transplant hospital. And 6 years down the line, I want to start that. I want to open that. So these are
Mm.
some of the goals. And of course, I feel money definitely is a byproduct.
Beautiful. God grace. I hope that manifests for you for sure. Because, and everybody who's watching this right now, obviously, some people when they get results, their first response is to thank us. But you see, the key here is when you see these stories, when you listen to these stories, what is important to understand is these people are also action takers. When they understand the tool which we suggest to them, which we make them practice, they are the one who go back and apply this to practice. Right? People say knowledge is power. But knowledge is potential power. Applied knowledge is real power when the knowledge gets applied in action, right? So when you see like people like Rachna who has got tremendous results because they have been so dedicated with the practice. And there's nothing so unique which, maybe we are offering. Obviously, there are things which we offer which are very powerful, but these have been offered by great teachers as well, right? But there is a very important role which the participants play because when they summarize all these learnings in an action step and they practice every day, that's when the real results come in. So Rachna, thank you so much for coming in. And my hope is that next time when we interview you, you will be hitting another milestone. And that sure will happen because I know you are a very genuine, sincere, and a very hardworking, focused kind of person and really passionate about goals, right? I'm so happy, Rachna. Thank you so much for coming in. I hope all the luck for you.
Thank you so much.
Get all your goals in reality. Thank you so much, Rachna. And by the
Thank
way, where people can, what is your book name? Where they can go and buy the book? If
Yeah. So my book's name is How to Increase Your Net Worth. Net worth is not just in terms of money, but a person, because I always wanted a life where.
Can you show the book properly? Can you show the book properly?
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah. Raise it a bit higher. Yeah.
So I always wanted a life where even when I am not there in the world, people know what my net worth is, and that this is completely book is based on my own real life experience and how I could, increase my own net worth as a person, be valuable, bring some value to the lives of people. And that's what this book is all about. And for everybody who's watching this, I just have one advice or a suggestion that consistency is the key. So, and even it does happen with me also at times that when I put a goal, I put a timeline to it. It may not be there, but universe, like you always say, universe always rewards your consistency and your trust and faith. So having that trust and faith is very important. So no, not getting disappointed and continuing doing your activities with sincerity and full faith, and that will definitely get you results. Because I know myself, from a person who was always having things in the mind but never executing them, being a biggest procrastinator, and right now coming from that procrastinator to being an action taker, which has obviously changed my life, opened a lot of passive sources of income for me, financially, professionally.
Beautiful.
And influence, adding value to lives of people. Some amazing shifts in my life.
Beautiful. And this book is available on Amazon to buy?
Yes, it's available on Amazon.
And where people can reach you? Do you have you made a website already? Or
yes. So I am available on I'm available on Facebook. I'm available on Instagram, and my website is www.rachnakacker.com, rachnakacker.com.
Beautiful. And is there somebody whom you also want to acknowledge for the book? Somebody helped you to write the book or to guide you on this in the journey of writing the book?
Yes, of course, so many people. So you are one of them. Because this and my mentor, who was for pushing me every day to complete this book. So this book has been written in a period of only 40 days.
Yeah,
only 40 days. And during the product of the lockdown, I would say.
Yes. Who is the mentor on the book side?
Yes, so Mr. Satish Singh, who's also been part of your. Yes. So he kept guiding me. So of course, due credits to him. And then my mentor Amit Parekh,
Yes.
who actually brought that. So that's where why all the acknowledgement to him, because it's because of him I met people like you,
Yes.
and then that's from where everything started. And of course my husband, my family, who's been so supportive. You know, if you have the energy, if you have the ideas, but there should be somebody to support you and push you every day, have that trust in you. Yes, come on, do it, we are all be there with you. Whatever you want to do in life, go ahead. So
Right.
of course I am so blessed to have my family and everybody. God has been so great and kind
Mm.
that I am meeting people who are helping me fulfill my goals.
Yeah, beautiful. Your energy attracts right people. So all goes back to you also, right? When your energy is pure and good, it only attracts people with the similar energy, right? Amit is a rock star, a very good friend, a rock star as well, right? So good, Rachna. Thank you so much. I hope this book, goes to sell million copies in the days to come, and I hope it brings you a lot of name, prosperity, and
Yes.
success.
Thank you
And I
so
hope to
much.
catch up with you soon again. Sure, Rachna. Thank you
Sure.
so much,
Yeah.
Rachna. Okay.
Thank you so much. Thank you.